Good evening, ma'am. Myself Yashwant. I am from 3D department at SRIT College. Today my topic name is homophones and homographies. What are homophones? Homophones are words that sound identical when spoken aloud. They often cause confusion in both writing and speaking due to their similar pronunciation. Examples include beard, the animal, and bear uncovered. These are the homophones. Examples of homophones: two, TWO2 and TO2 and TOO2 are common. Homophones with different meanings. KNIGHT night and NIGHT are night are homophones that sound the same but are unrelatable in meaning. Floor, FLOUR floor and FLOWR flower are homophones that are often confused in writing. Here is the another words of homophones are more important. What are homographs? Homographs are words that are spelled identically but may have different pronunciation and meaning. Their meaning depend on contact, making understanding their uses importance. Example include lead, lead to gild, and lead a metal. These are the differences are homographs, and it have homophones and homographs in homo different materials. Examples of homographs: wind, to turn, and wind a breeze are homographs with different pronunciation. Object, a thing, and object to oppose are homographs with different meaning. Record, to capture and record a stored piece of information are common. Homographs. These are the examples of homographs. The importance of context. Context helps determine the correct meaning and pronunciations of homographs. Without context, homographs can be misunderstood or misused. For example, teared can mean of rip or the act of crying, develop depending on the sentence. Homographs versus homophones and sound the same but are spelled differently, whereas homographs are spelled the same but may sound different. Both can cause confusion in reading, writing, and pronunciation. Recognize the different helps improve the language skills and communications. Common challenges with homophones and homographs. People often confuse homophones in writing, reading to spelling errors. Homographs can be tricky due to their multiple meanings and pronunciations. Practice and context analysis are key mastering their correct uses. These are the common challenges with the homophones and homographs. Tips for learning homophones and homographs. Study examples and practice using them in a sentence. Pay attention to context to understand the correct meaning and pronunciations. Use visual aids and flashcards to reinforce memory and recognitions. And may giving tips of these, we can speak English properly first. That is the first thing. Conclusion and summary. Homophones and homographs are fascinating aspects of English language. Mastering their uses exchanges both speaking and writing skills. Continued practice and context awareness are essential for effectively understanding. These are the conclusion and summary for homophones and